The Director device supports multiple control methods. It works with various external keyboards and can be controlled via the device itself, mobile phones, tablets, or computers, offering flexible adaptation to diverse application scenarios. The core advantage of Director is that it can trigger any number of commands with a single key. Even hundreds of operations can be managed effortlessly. This eliminates tedious repetitive tasks and significantly boosts execution efficiency. Additionally, various commands can be combined freely to build a workflow tailored specifically to you. First, we introduce the Magewell Stream Deck 293V3. It connects to the device via a single cable, directly sharing the shortcut buttons and layout created on the device. No extra computer is needed. The shortcuts on the Stream Deck can be intuitively identified via icons, text, or color labels. Simply press to execute operations. Its plug-and-play design makes it extremely convenient to use. To use the Magewell Stream Deck, you need to create shortcuts on the Director device at first. Go to Settings Shortcuts, and then tap a plus button. Select one or more functions. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. To execute multiple functions one by one, you can add the Wait function between two functions. Drag the icons at the bottom to change order. If needed, you can enter a customized name, change the font size by tapping A, and you can also change its background color. Tap Save after finishing settings. On the Shortcuts page, you can add more shortcuts. Long press and drag icons to change the layout. Tap the plus button at the bottom to add more pages, and tap the number to turn pages. You can add 3 special shortcuts: Next Page, Previous Page, and Go to Page N. You can use them to turn pages on your Stream Deck. When your Magewell Stream Deck is connected to the Director device, it will share the icons and layout. Go back to the main screen. Now you can use the keyboard to control your show conveniently. If one Stream Deck cannot satisfy your operation needs and you want to avoid the trouble of page turning, plug in multiple Stream Decks to expand to a larger layout. As a professional peripheral keyboard focused on visual customization, the Elgato Stream Deck is compatible with various software and devices. It supports drag-and-drop installation via plugins and operates flexibly by using its keys or dials. When paired with the Director device, it requires a computer, which must be on the same network as the device. Go to Elgato Marketplace and search for Magewell Director. Add the plugin to your account. Connect your computer and the Director device to the same local area network. Then plug the Stream Deck into your computer. Drag and drop plug-in functions into the boxes on the left, enter the device IP address as required, and set up each function to customize your profile. Once configured, you can control the Director device using the keys and dials on the Stream Deck. For Stream Deck instructions, see the article link in the comments. How to use Magewell Director plugin for Stream Deck. The Director device also supports standard Bluetooth keyboards, USB keyboards, as well as specialty keyboards like X keys and number pad. Bluetooth keyboards enable wireless connectivity, freeing you from cable length limitations. Standard USB keyboards come in a wide variety and are easy to obtain. X keys allows for custom key mapping and backlighting, and is also compatible with products from other platforms. To use a Bluetooth keyboard, go to Settings Bluetooth. Tap the gear icon and select Pair New Device. In the list of available devices, select your Bluetooth device to complete the pairing. If using an X keys keyboard, you need to assign key codes to each key on a computer first. Then plug the keyboard into the Director device. If using a standard USB keyboard, simply plug it directly into the Director device. On the device, you can also create shortcuts by going to Settings Shortcuts. The difference here is that you need to assign a key on the keyboard. Tap Add next to Key. Then press a key on the keyboard to detect the key code, or you can manually enter the key code. Input the text corresponding to the key to facilitate identification, then tap Add in the upper right corner. After completing all configurations, tap Save. Then you can continue adding more shortcuts. After all shortcuts are added, return to the main screen and you can use the keyboard to control the show. You can flexibly choose a keyboard that best fits your usage habits and scenarios. In addition to external keyboards, the Director device itself also has a convenient control method. Tap the More button on the main screen. Select Shortcuts to open the shortcut control page. Then you can operate shortcuts directly on the device. It does not need any additional equipment. We have also developed the Director Utility app, allowing you to create and control shortcuts via your smartphone or tablet. It is ideal for operations in mobile scenarios. You can also add and operate shortcuts via the web UI on the computer side. These are the various control methods for the Director device, from professional visual keyboards to standard external keyboards, plus the device's built-in controls, as well as control via smartphones, tablets, and the computer. These choices seamlessly adapt to various scenarios, significantly boosting your creative output and work efficiency.